Welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machine Repair. We're going to do a test shot on an Expobar. This machine initially came in with some heating issues. We thought it was the control board, but later re-diagnosed as the pressure stat. We've got it up to temp. Everything's all dialed in. Let's see how the shot is. There we are. It's a little test coffee, but we got some crema. It's coming up to the right bars. Let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. Get some water. We'll listen for the refill. There we go. Thanks for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to our page and like the page. Thank you.